Peel and stick tiles are a quick, low-cost option, while floating vinyl plank flooring offers greater durability and moisture resilience for bathrooms. Peel and stick tiles cost less and are very straightforward to install because you cut to fit and press pieces down with no specialized tools, but choose high-quality adhesive-backed porcelain look or luxury vinyl options and ensure the subfloor is completely clean, dry, and level before you start. Floating vinyl plank flooring clicks together over an underlayment so it floats above the subfloor and provides better dimensional stability and cushioning. Pick a plank with a rigid core and a thicker wear layer for bathrooms, and follow the manufacturer instructions for moisture barrier and perimeter expansion gaps. For wet rooms, consider using a vapor barrier or sealing the seams and transitions, and always run the flooring up any short wall base to prevent water migration under edges. When replacing or repairing a section, peel and stick requires removing and regluing tiles, and matching color and pattern can be difficult, whereas floating planks allow single plank replacement with minimal disturbance if you keep spare planks. Pay attention to warranty terms, since many peel and stick warranties exclude moisture damage while floating. Plank warranties often cover wear and water resistance when installed per guidelines. Finish installation by properly sealing transitions around tubs, toilets, and vanities, and test with a controlled water exposure to confirm no seepage occurs at seams or trims. Common mistakes include installing peel and stick on a subfloor that is not fully clean or level, which leads to premature lifting. The remedy is to scrape and sand high spots, use a leveling compound, and clean with a solvent or alcohol before installation. Another issue is underestimating expansion space for floating vinyl plank, which causes buckling and gaps. Solve this by measuring the entire room and maintaining the recommended expansion gap around all edges and under door frames. A third frequent concern is assuming both products are equally water resistant when many peel and stick adhesives fail with repeated moisture. Mitigate that by choosing tiles specifically rated for wet areas, using additional perimeter sealant, and installing a water-resistant underlayment under floating planks for added protection. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners compare options, find local contractors, and read real experiences related to projects like bathroom flooring. We also connect contractors with homeowners and host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, product feedback, and installation advice.